Hello students. So today we'll continue from question number 5, exercise 9.5, 9.4 for math exemplar. So in this circle, two circles, so in this question, two circles with center O and O dash are given and the radius is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Let's name this as for circle 1 and this is circle 2. The radius of circle 1 is 3 centimeters and the second is 4 centimeter. And these both circles are intersecting at the point P and Q. So P and Q is the point of intersection such that OP is the tangent to the circle number 2 and O dash P is the tangent to the circle 1. We have to find the length of the common chord PQ. We have to find this length. Now let's join these points OQ and O dash Q. So now if we observe in triangle O P O dash and triangle O Q O dash. In these two triangles, O dash is equal to O dash because this is a common side. OP is equal to OQ, radius of the same circle. O dash P is equal to O dash Q, radius of the same circle. So by SSS congruency, these two triangles are congruent, and by CPCT we can say that PN sorry these two triangles O dash OP, these two angles O dash OP will be equal to O dash OQ. These two angles are equal. Now we will take in triangle O in triangle PON and triangle NOQ. We have just proved that O dash OP, this triangle O dash OP, this angle is equal to O dash OQ. From here we can see that angle NOP, this angle will be equal to NOQ. These two angles are equal and ON is equal to ON, common side in both the triangles. OP is equal to OQ, radius of these both are radius of the same circle. So by SAS congruency, these two triangles are congruent, and from here we can say that PN is equal to NQ and angle ONP will be equal to angle QNO. PN and NQ are equal and angle ONP will be equal to angle QNO. So it means these both angles are 90 degrees because they are making a linear pair. Right? Okay. Now in triangle OPO dash, we know that angle OPO dash will be 90 degrees because O dash P is a tangent to a circle, OP is a radius. So angle made by the radius and the tangent at the point of contact is 90 degrees. So it will be 90 degrees. So it means angle OP dash will be a right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of third side O dash, and it will be equal to square root of square of 4 plus square of 3. So it means O dash will be equal to 5 centimeters. So now let's assume that ON is X. Now let's assume this ON is X and we have just got O dash is equal to 5 centimeters. So this implies NO dash will be equal to 5 minus X. This complete is 5, this is X, and so remaining part will be 5 minus X. So now in triangle PNO, this will be right angle triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem here. So 3 square will be equal to Pn square and the next side is X. So it means Pn square will be equal to 9 minus x square, and now we will take in triangle O dash and B. Again, it's a right angle triangle. So Pn square will be equal to 4 square minus 5 minus x square. So it implies Pn square. So from here we can say that means then this equation 1 and this equation as 2. So it means these two are equal. We have got that Pn square is this and Pn square is also this. So it means these both are equal. So this implies 9 minus x square will be equal to 4 square, that is 16, minus 25 plus x square minus 10x. Now we will simplify it. 9 minus x square will be equal to 16 minus 25 minus x square plus 10x. From here, this x square will be cancelled. We will get 9 is equal to 16 minus 25 is negative 9 plus 10x, and by simplifying it we will get x will be equal to 1.8. Now we will plot this value 9.x in equation 1. So we will get Pn square is equal to 9 minus square of 1.8. So we have to simplify it and we'll get the value of Pn. So we will get Pn will be equal to square root of 9 minus 3.24, and it will be equal to square root of 5.76, and it will be equal to 2.4. So we have got Pn is 2.4. Now if we look at the picture in this figure, we have got Pn is 2.4, and we know that Pn is equal to n cube. We have proved here. So it means PQ will be equal to 2 times of Pn. So it will be equal to 2 times of 2.4. So it will be 4.8 centimeters. Now we will move to next question. In question number 6, it is given that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degrees. A circle is drawn with AB as a diameter. AB is a diameter intersecting the hypotenuse at P. Is the hypotenuse is AC, and this circle is intersecting the hypotenuse at point P, and to the tangent to a circle at P. So we have drawn a tangent to a circle at point P, and it bisects PC. It means we have to prove BQ is equal to QC. Now in triangle ABC, it's given it's a right angle triangle. It's given angle B is 90 degrees. So it means angle 1 plus angle 5 will also be 90 degrees. So angle 1 plus 5 is 90 degrees, and also we know that angle 3 will be equal to angle 1. Angle 3 will be equal to angle 1 because angle between the tangent and the chord equals angle made by the chord in alternate segment. This angle 3 is the angle made by the chord BP and tangent PQ, and angle 1 is the angle made by same chord in the alternate segment. So these two angles are equal. So we can say that angle 3 is equal to angle 1. And from these two, from equation 1 and 2, we can say that angle in place of angle 1 we can replace by 3. So we can say angle 3 plus angle 5 will be equal to 90 degrees. angle 3 plus angle 5 will be equal to 90 degrees. And also we know that angle APB, this is angle in the semicircle of, so it will be 90 degrees. So angle APB will be 90 degrees. From here we can see that angle APB plus angle 3 plus angle 4 will be 90 degrees, will be equal to 180 degrees, because this is a linear pair. And so here 3 plus 4 will be equal to 90 degrees. So angle 3 plus 5 is 90 degrees, angle 3 plus 4 is 90 degrees. So it means we can say that angle 3 plus 5, angle 3 plus angle 5 will be equal to angle 3 plus angle 4, and this implies angle 4 is equal to angle 5. So if angle 4 is equal to angle 5, so if angle 4 is equal to angle 5, so we can say these two angles are equal, so we can say that PQ will be equal to QC, because sides opposite to equal angle are equal, and PQ is also equal to BQ, because PQ and BQ are tangent to the same circle and from the same external point Q. So from these two equations we can say that BQ is equal to QC. Hence this tangent BQ is bisecting is BC. Now in the question number 7, tangents PQ and PR are drawn to the circle such that angle RPQ is given 30 degrees. A chord RS is drawn parallel to this tangent PQ, and we have to find the measure of angle RQS. So now in triangle PRQ, let's name this as angle 1, angle 2. Angle, we know that RP will be equal to PQ. These are tangents drawn to the same circle from the same external point P. So it means RP and PQ are equal. So this implies angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. So by angle sum property, we can find the measure of angle 1 and 2. So angle 1 and angle 2 will be equal to 180 minus 30 divided by 2. So it means they both are 75 degrees. And also angle 2 will be equal to angle 3, because angle 2 will be equal to angle 3 because 2 is the angle made by the chord and the tangent, and angle 3 is the angle made by same chord in the alternate segment. So these two are equal, so it means they are also 75 degrees. And also it is given, let's name this angle as angle 4. SR and QP are parallels, and so it means angle 4 will be equal to angle 2, because these are alternate interior angles. So it means angle 4 is also 75 degrees. So now we know angle 3 and angle 4 both are 75 degrees. So now in triangle QSR, angle RQS will be equal to 180 minus 75 plus 75. Hence angle RQS will be 30 degrees. Now we will move to question number 8. In question number 8, it is given AB is the diameter and AC is the chord of the circle, and with center O is the center, and the angle BAC is 30 degrees given, and the tangent at C intersects BC extended at D. So prove that BC is equal to BD. So we have to prove BC and BD are equal. So now what can we say about the measure of the angle ACB? This is the, yes, it will be 90 degrees. Why it is 90 degrees? Because it is the angle made by the, and this is the angle semicircle. AB is the diameter, so angle ACB is the angle diameter, so it will be 90 degrees. So now and also let's name this angle as 1, and angle 1 will be equal to angle CAB, because angle 1 is the angle made by the chord and the tangent, and angle CAB is the angle made by same chord in the alternate segment. So angle, it means angle 1 will be 30 degrees. Right, so now this implies we have got angle ACB is 90 degrees, angle 1 is 30 degree. So it means angle ACD will be equal to 90 plus 30 degrees, that is it will be 120 degrees. Angle ACD will be 120 degrees. So now in triangle ACD, we know the measure of angle CAD plus angle ACD plus angle DCA will be equal to 180 degrees, and we know the measure of these two angles, the first two angles. The first is 30, second is 120. And so from here we can find the measure of angle DCA, and it will be equal to 30 degrees. Angle DCA is 30 degrees, so it means angle this angle 1 and this angle, they both are same. So this implies BC will be equal to BD, and sides are opposite to equal, angles are equal in a triangle. So hence it is proved BC and BD are equal. Now we will move to next question, question number 9. Here, prove the tangent drawn at the midpoint of a arc of a circle is parallel to the chord joining the end point to the circle. So here A, M, B is the arc given. M is the midpoint. So if M is the midpoint here, we can see that AM will be equal to MB. And let's name this angle 1. This is angle 2. And in triangle AMB, angle 1 will be equal to angle 2, because AM and MB are equal. And also now we have to prove that this chord AB is parallel to the tangent T and T dash. So now what can we say about these angles? Let's name as 3, this and angle 4. Angle 3 will be equal to angle 2, because angle 3 is the angle made by the tangent at the chord, and the angle 2 is the angle made by same chord in the alternate segment. Similarly, we can say that angle 4 will be equal to angle 1. We have just proved angle 1 is equal to angle 2. These two angles are equal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 2. From these two, we can say that angle 3 will be equal to angle 1. This will be only possible when the lines AB and TMT dash are parallel. Hence, these two lines AB is parallel to line TT. Hence, it is proved. So, we will do next questions in the next video. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you.